Hi everyone, this is Joel from freeIWorkTemplates.com, and I just wanted to take a minute today and talk about the if function in numbers. Now the if function is probably one of the most useful functions in numbers. I use it probably in every single numbers file that I make. Simply to call the functions panel, hit the equal sign, and then you're going to type if. Right? Now if has three things we need to identify. A conditional statement, and then what to do if that statement is true, and what to do if that statement is false. You can remember it really easy. If, then, else. So if C1 equals 5, or C2 equals 5, then say true. And I want it to put it in quotes if you want it to actually spell out the word true. If it does not equal, if C2 does not equal 5, then put the word false, right? It's simple. When you look at that, it's a very simple statement. So right now, C2 does not equal 5, so we're displaying false, but if we put the number 5 in there, we display true. That's a really simple example. Let's take it into something a little bit more real world here. So here we have this sales chart, if you will. You might recognize something similar from your days in high school, but so we've got 4 regions, Northeast, South, and West, and we've got 4 quarters, Q1, 2, 3, and 4, and totals on either side of those. But we also have this goal thing here, these quarterly goals that our territories were supposed to collectively meet. And now we want to figure out, did they meet those goals? So we can do this by writing a simple if function. So if B6, right, because that's our sum of what is there, is greater than or equal to, actually let's just do greater than. If it's greater than our goal, then say true, else say false. All right? So, oh, bummer. They didn't make their goal. I mean, we kind of knew that already, but they didn't make their goal. So let's check it for these other ones. All right? I don't know if we have any that are going to be true, but let's change this guy to be 16, and boom, you saw that immediately it changed because they beat their goal. You can see the possibilities with the if function. They're limitless. We can do all sorts of crazy things. I mean, we could add the sum function right in here, right? So rather than use this, we could actually also say sum of this, right? And accomplish the same purpose, right? We don't actually have to have this cell spelled out. So as you can see, if is incredibly useful. You're going to use it all the time. It'll make your spreadsheets that much more dynamic. Use it, get used to it, because it is so valuable. All right. Well, thanks everybody.